Are you passionate about social sciences? At MS Ramaiah University of Applied Sciences, Bangalore, learning goes beyond just books. With 13 faculties, 300 plus industrial partnerships, and a jaw-dropping highest package of 52 lakh per annum, RUAS is a hub of interdisciplinary innovation. No wonder students on Shiksha.com give it a solid 3.9 star rating. In this video, let's explore what makes the School of Social Sciences stand out. You can pursue a BSc Honours in specializations in Applied Economics, Computational Social Sciences, Data Sciences and Analytics, Psychology, and for postgraduates, RUAS offers MSc in Data Science and Analytics, MSc in Psychology, MA in Public Policy. Admissions are merit-based and conducted through the RUAS AT entrance test. The eligibility required is as mentioned on the college website. The intake for all BSc courses is 60 seats and the total UG fees ranges from 1.5 lakh per annum to 2.25 lakh per annum, while for PG programs the fees is between 1.5 lakh per annum to 2 lakh per annum. So where does this degree take you? Depending on your specialization, career paths include financial analyst, behavior analyst, data scientist, clinical or industrial psychologist, policy maker. The campus infrastructure supports serious study and serious comfort. Expect Wi-Fi enabled smart and well-ventilated classrooms. The library is packed with updated books, commentaries, periodicals, journals, newspapers and access to online databases. There are 5 girls hostels and 2 boys hostels on the campus. Need a break? Relax in separate common rooms for boys and girls. And with 260 plus CCTV cameras, safety is always a priority. Staying industry relevant is also key. Students engage in workshops on cutting-edge topics like AI for social good, AI and cybersecurity, detecting deepfakes. The research culture here is buzzing. Interdisciplinary collaborations, faculty-student programs, and publishing in high-impact journals are all part of the experience. You can even build your own startup on campus. There's financial support for patents, conferences, and more. RUAS backs you with 300 plus academic and industrial connects. On campus, it's not all study. RUAS celebrates diversity, equity, and inclusion, creating a space where every student feels seen and supported. And when it's time to unwind, join clubs like Anubhuti for theatre lovers, Road Track for leadership and service, Capture Through Lens for visual storytellers. So what's one thing that students love? The balance between theory and real-world application, and seeing their education in action. The School of Social Sciences at RUAS gives you the foundation to make your mark. Check out their official website and download the Shiksha app for more.